What's going on, Fragrance family? It's your man Gator, better known as the Novice Nose out here in these fragrance streets. Before I do anything else, I just want to give a big shout out to the Novice Nation, man. Whenever, however, whatever you're doing right now while you're watching this video, I hope you're having a great day, man. It's always a great day. It always brightens my day, I should say, when I can come to the house, man, and have a package waiting on me, some goodies. And today was one of those days, because when I got to the house today, it's been a long day at work, and I was walking in and treading in, and I saw I had a package. That's right. So this is one that I've been waiting on for a while now here. By the time you're seeing this, it'll be like a couple of weeks since this actual unboxing is being done, and I'll probably have the actual full review of it posting literally right after this, but this is like a couple of weeks ago, just in case you're seeing it today. So regardless of that, this one I've been waiting on for a while. This is a new one from ARMAF. This is ARMAF's CHECKMATE KING. This is their supposedly their Scandal Absolute clone here. I'm gonna check this one out and see what it is. They've already impressed me. I took the cellophane off of the box because y'all folks be killing me with the it's too much noise in the mic. But anyway, so and you know who you are that's saying it. But this is a nice presentation, man. This is ARMAF's CHECKMATE KING here. It says King Checkmate on there, but everywhere else it says CHECKMATE KING. But I like this, man. This is a nice nice presentation here. Now it's okay, so it's like a little jacket that slides off here. Oh, it's embroidered on the end. Well, not embroidered, embossed on the inside. I don't know if you can see that where it says ARMAF on the inside there, and you know, the back of the design here. So that's interesting. That's very interesting. The box itself is nice, man. I like this. It's real sturdy. It looks like that super hard cardboard here, and that's the King Checkmate. So maybe it is King Checkmate. I don't know. But let's see, do I lift it? Oh, okay, so this looks like it's gonna be a flip top. So you can see it's got this little this design all the way around the box here. On the back, of course, it's got the ARMAF from the House of Sterling. So let me see here. It looks like it's a flip top. So ooh, all right, nice. So this is an interesting presentation here. I love the chess piece thing. This is one of the reasons I love that Mind Games house so much, because the chess piece imagery, and this one is a similar thing where it's got the chess piece here. You see the top. Let me see if I'm gonna pull a little string here, pull it out. All right, so little velvet flip thing here. I think this little plastic coating that might actually come out of here, so I might pull that out in here. But let's see, this is the bottle. This is pretty. It's got King written on the side of it here. It's nice from the top there. ARMAF written on the top. Let me see if I can turn my arm. That was a dumb way of doing it, but hey, you get to see where it says ARMAF. So again, this is supposed to be a Scandal Absolute clone here. Oh, okay. So this is the way the bottle looks once it's uncapped. Here, as you can see, it's got the ARMAF written there. Now, let's see what we got as far as the fragrance itself goes. I'm gonna go ahead and pull a couple. I got two. I got one. Okay, pull a couple of sprays off of here. See what it does? Oh, it already primed up. That's weird. It's nice though. I like that. Okay, so this definitely is going down that Scandal pathway. As a matter of fact, this is really nice. Oh man, this is really nice. You get some of the fruitiness at the top of it. I may have to put this on skin, man. Hold on. Oh Lord. You get some of the fruitiness, like a soft fruitiness, but you're also getting like a a caramel vibe to it, like Scandal, like the most of the Scandals that are out there. This is really nice. This is oh man, it's a fresh type of caramel type of vibe to it, man, and it's got, like I said, a little slight bit of fruitiness to it. Oh, that is nice. This is a beautiful rendition of that Scandal DNA. It's got a depth to it just that one spray that a few sprays that I did just now. It's deep in the sense that it's blended very well. You could tell it's blended very well. They're using pretty high quality oils here. It doesn't smell like it's a cheap knockoff of that Scandal DNA. This smells like okay, getting a little bit almost like a woody essence going on there. So you're getting a little bit of the caramelic vibe there, but you're also getting a little bit of woodiness. It's giving fresh right now. It's giving a fresh, you know how Scandal is it's got that sweet vibe, but it's also a freshness to it, almost like a crisp type of vibe to it. This is what this is giving, and you could tell that it's got a depth to it. It's got more going on than just like a linear top note that a lot of inspirations have. This is really good just by the first spray. I'm gonna have fun spending time with this. I'm getting more fruity now. What is that? It's kind of I'm not sure what the fruit is on here. I'm gonna have to look here and see what's going on. Let me see if I can find the notes on it right quick. All right, so top notes are Maribel and fruity notes. Okay, Maribel might be what I'm picking up right now because that's kind of like a plumish type of thing. Then the middle notes are chestnut, spices, and gourmand accord. That gourmand accord may be a little bit of the amber, the ambery caramelness to it. I am picking up a nutty vibe too, and that's probably that chestnut that I'm seeing. Also, it's got the sandalwood, amber, powdery. I'm definitely picking up some amber. This is good. This is really, really good. I think I'm gonna have some fun working on this one, man. Next time you see this one, I'll have the full review up for it. But so far, just from the initial spray, I'm impressed, man. I'm interested to see what it does in the dry down. That's all I got for it. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and of course, share this video with somebody you know that loves fragrances. Until next time, guys, remember, whatever day it is today, make sure you make that day the best day ever on purpose. Peace out.